Compact SUVs usually force you to make a choice. You can have a cool design or you can fit your kids and your luggage. You rarely get both. But today, we're looking at a car that claims to solve that riddle. This is the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB. They call it the versatile, everyday hero. We call it the electric Swiss Army knife. It's got 7 seats, a massive frunk, and it charges faster than you can finish a coffee. Let's find out if this is the best family EV on the market. Okay, first things first. If you've ever owned an EV, you know the struggle of messy charging cables tangling with your groceries in the trunk. The GLB fixes this. Check this out. This is the largest frunk in its class, 127 liters. Mercedes says you can fit a crate of drinks, 3 footballs, or even a compact tent in here. Basically, the messy stuff goes up front, so your suitcase stays clean in the back. Simple, but brilliant. But the real party trick is in the back. While most electric compacts are strictly 5-seaters, the GLB keeps its famous third row. You can order this as a 7-seater. And no, the back seats aren't just for toddlers. Mercedes increased the headroom, so anyone up to 1.71 m, that's about 5'7", can sit comfortably. And if you fold everything flat, you get over 1,700 liters of cargo space. That is enough for a full IKEA run or a very aggressive Costco trip. Now let's talk specs, because this is where the GLB stops being a family hauler and starts being a tech marvel. You have 2 electric options launching first. The long-range 250 Plus gives you up to 631 kilometers of range on a single charge. But range isn't the best part. It's the speed. This car uses 800-volt architecture. It charges insanely fast. You can add 260 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. By the time you've grabbed a snack and used the restroom, the car is ready to go for another 2 hours. Step inside, and it looks like a spaceship. This is the optional MBUX Superscreen. You've got the driver display, a huge central screen, and yes, a screen for the passenger. Your co-pilot can watch Disney Plus or play video games, and the car uses special tech so the driver can't see that screen and get distracted. And the voice assistant? It's powered by generative AI. It doesn't just listen, it has empathy. If you're stressed, the avatar changes color. You can ask it to explain black holes to your kids, and it actually gives you a good answer. So, is the new GLB a winner? It starts around 59,000 euros. For that price, you're getting a car that handles the school run, the road trip, and the tech cravings all at once. It's boxy, it's bold, and it's incredibly practical. What do you think? Would you take this over a Tesla Model Y? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of cars. See you in the next one.